Don't talk into the video. No talk into the video.
Okay.
I'm just opening it.
Okay.
The silly old man. Don't say to the video. Silly.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm here with a new video, and this time this video is about all the wishes and surprises that I got from my family and friends, and you will listen silly talks of my daughters and as they are wishing me on my birthday. I got this surprise as you're watching from my daughter's chachu, my brother-in-law, all the way from Islamabad. Thanks a lot. And this cake and ice cream I received from my brother, my nephew. Thanks a lot everyone, and all the prayers and wishes I received on my birthday. Thanks all of you. Now enjoy this video and give your feedback. Jazakallah.
Hello guys, nice to see you again. Today we are here for making a video. See, I have something special. See this water bottle, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now I am here for something. Today is my mom's birthday.
Oh my god, really?
Happy birthday, Mommy!
Thank you. So sweet of you, baby.
And I have one present for you.
You have a present for me.
Yeah, I will be right back.
Okay, I'm waiting for you.
Just wait for me. And here I am. Okay, now I have right behind me into my bag. See? Okay, now I have a
Okay.
surprise.
Oh, really? It is very sweet of you.
And where you want to put it?
Right behind me.
Right behind you?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna put your present right behind you.
Okay, I will. How you are celebrating my birthday?
Yes, and we're gonna take the bottle of the party bottle,
Okay.
and I'm gonna pop off this
Okay.
for Mom's birthday. And if she sleep, then we gonna put the decorations on. Then she brush her teeth and wear her pajamas and change her clothes. And her dad know how to make the cake.
Okay.
Yeah, he just take the cake and put some sprinkles on the cake. And the heart sprinkle cake.
Okay.
Hello guys, our mom give us some flour and she is so sweet. Look at me, I put the flour on into my head because I look like Isabella.
You look so beautiful.
Do you know guys, today is our mommy's birthday. And I love her so much. Me too. And she gave us some flowers from the bouquet. Yes. We have a cake like that, and it writes in our mommy's name, Kasha. and my mom is really good, and I never see her cake. But it looks yummy, but I can't carefully. I don't taste it because I like the cherry up and it put a chocolate one. Now it is looking beautiful. and there's chocolate sprinkles and chocolate sauce.
Okay. It looks yummy.
Yes, and
You want to eat it? I should
No.
cut it for you.
Dad, no, we need to not to eat it. We forgot our chachu.
Oh my god. Where's your chachu then?
Yes, and today home.
Oh my god, you're missing him?
Yeah, but we are missing him too. But we need to not to do our birthday now. Our chachu needs to come, okay?
Oh my god, your chachus and these gifts.
Yeah. And
Because he can't come now. He's in Islamabad.
I have a surprise from my mom. I have this for my mom, and she will kind of like it.
Oh my god, it's so good. I really like it. You want these chocolates?
But no, we need to not to eat them yet, okay?
Why?
Baby, because our chacha needs to come, then we need to eat them.
Oh my god.
But we are missing him too.
I will send this video to him.
That's right. We can get a cat for our mom, and we will put her on into her head, and we will do her birthday after. We're gonna put our hands and do her happy birthday cake.
Thank you so much, Eva, for your wishes.
And happy birthday you too. And this way I have another surprise too.
Okay.
Just I have this for you.
Thank you so much. So many surprises for me.
Happy birthday, Mom!